sir, teachers and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is woman as role model. History is filled with wonderful examples of role models. Our woman has always been a great support for men. They are equal to men in terms of spirit, hardworking and achievement. Their positive qualities are helping us to build a strong nation. Miss Fatima Jinnah was the youngest sister of Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah. She helped her brother in the Pakistan movement. Dr. Ruth was a German doctor and nun who is known as Mother Teresa of Pakistan. She devoted her life to fighting leprosy in Pakistan. Arfa Abdul Karim Randhawa became the pride of our country when she was only 9 years old. She achieved the world's youngest Microsoft Certified Professional Award at this young age. Samina Khyal Bej is the first Pakistani woman to climb Mount Everest, and she is also the first Muslim lady to climb the all 7 summits. Thanks.